Zika kwa YouTube na subscribe kwa hii channel unafanya nini YouTube? Unafanya nini YouTube?
Unafanya nini?
In whose hands are you safe? In which channel?
Hello guys, Kwanikwo Triple M favored the best and the biggest online TV show. Thank you mona to support yanyu. Thank you mona. Oh, thank you so much guys. Kama uja subscribe, rizikana go subscribe, click that subscription button. Kago waka hana ready. How go? No, rizikana pia kunifollow on all social media platforms at Triple M favored. Thank you mona nita do support yanyu. Oh yes guys, and guess what? After all that was happening kwa mtandao, Sammy Irungu nako drake expose wa mono ni modo wetagwo mother Mwihaki Hinga. Oyo ni modo tutoye tudwatwire kiraga gatuni then wa Facebook yake na thutha wake ku expose ugo. Guys, muronire uria kurathire. People were expecting already mara expectaga tigwo kurathire ni tondu wake andu no mendete nyimbo cia Sammy Irungu na thutha wake ko release the boretwo rwa Maguta moitereria ni mari bara nyingi muno. Guys, watu wanapenda wimbo yake. Akaronderera watch rwimbo rwake thi hari ugu YouTube ni yake ni gukorwo githikiriria rwimbo ru. Ndirenda kumuthomera comment section uria andu makoretwo makiuga after all that drama. Yes, still bado watu wanapenda nyimbo za Sammy. Wabera leto ta muthoni wake Ruba arugatire I love this, can't wait to be back to work. Kwa gyoreto Ogyoreto atirere Charity Wambogo, Sammy, your songs are always a big blessing to me. God uses your voice to speak volumes to his people. You are a blessing to generations. Keep up the good work. You have Stella Kinama you have spoken nothing but the truth, but God fights for him. Keep serving him. Triza wainena koga nice, but please Sammy, it's not bad to have mpango, but don't date slay queen. Your songs huni bless sana. Oshiareto ate Triza wainaina. Ogeroga areto nake nikezia wakariuki akawatirere. Oh my, this is lit. Congratulations dear. Dixon Dirago akawagate dokama ke morio ona idwe nitwejaga. I mean juere. Yes, the tea didn't even move my love towards your music. Your songs are so powerful. Oh my goodness, I love this. Ogeka got a great job, amazing. We muradhime brother, this one is lit. Ona nyingine tereboro. Ogeka got the kijana unaenda sereti alafu unaanza usherati geza nataka kumini hivyo alafu unaanza kusema anga maguta marethena we kanyere modoyo kana ukimenye kwagana wehithete ukimenya kwagana wehithete ogiaka ugate mimi at ushinde mimi hata ushinde ugidhunush the whole month na maslay queen na you sing I will always dance to your song. Hii ingine ni yako na Mungu. Ogere to waji koke memya kauga a very good song. Kauga Jack Kiala kauga you are a blessing. Nake minor Sammy kauga we shall support you irrespective. Alafu tabi mwasa kauga my mom keeps on saying the devil was a great music artist and will keep on attacking those who are doing great. Nowadays, I judge less and consume the great music. Wow, that's a good revelation. Ogere to terere. Joroge Rachel Joroge akauga your song are top notch, very inspiring, and I listen to them a lot. Stay away from trouble though. Yeah, ndivyo amemwambia. Okay, to Judy Kinoti, powerful song. You never disappoint. Sammy Irungu, Maguta Thina. Great job. Me, I love your songs. Hiyo mambo ingine mtaulizana na Mungu tukifika binguni. That's good. It's not good to judge. I'm watching, guys. Yeah. Alafu kuna mtu anaitwa Polishi. I won't lie, I feel disappointed. The song is great, but I get to dot. I wish I didn't listen to what Suga Chambi said about you. Anyway, I really love your song. I love your song. They are blessing. Keep up the good work. Yes, I love your song. Nothing can make me hate your song. So, guys, there is a lot of positive comments. Do you can morona, guys? Ineni? Yeah? Do you can morona? Yes. Kuna a lot of positive comments, and I love this. What people were expecting is not that way. So, guys, never judge. Hata tukifika binguni, God a judge evil. Asanteni sana. Tulikuwa tuna review about that. Maguta Thina, Rebara Sammy Irungu. Sammy Irungu, a very good song. Okarodora what they watch. Nagoko what people am favored. Tadinagadina berena kumurehera content. Subscribe, like, and share. Noririkane tuliona episode ya Why Are You Single or Dating? Are you single or dating? Jirai. Nego katushamania in my next video. Nawapenda. Bye bye, guys.